Hey friends, if you encounter the error resampledmo.dll is missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, if this is missing, first of all we will try to restore the file, and this file cannot be restored by reinstalling a program or anything. It is associated with Windows. Some are suggesting to directly download the file. I have never supported that practice. So here's what you can try. Try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. This will invoke the SFC scan. Now if this doesn't work, then try a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next. Click on finish and finally click on yes. The last one is to re-register the resampledmo.dll file. Okay, so we have a command for it, which is regsvr32 space resampledmo.dll. I can share it with you in the description section of the video. So simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. It will say that it has succeeded in re-registering it. So that is the case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.